Hey, what's up guys? Will here for GSM Arena. This is the Realme GT2 Pro, and it's what Realme calls its first true flagship. That's pretty exciting, so let's go over its key features and see what it has to offer. The Realme GT2 Pro is a flagship phone with all the bells and whistles, unlike the more budget-friendly devices we're used to seeing from Realme. The phone feels quite comfy and lightweight in the hand, which is surprising considering that it has a large 5000 mAh battery. The back has a rough texture and curves into the frame. Our Realme GT2 Pro has a paper white finish, and it's special. Unlike the glass variants of the phone, this one is made from a bio-based polymer, and it has a laser-engraved grain similar to recycled paper. You even get the signature of the designer, Naoto Fukasawa, here on the back. On the front side of the phone is a pretty impressive AMOLED screen. It's 6.7 inches and uses 2nd Gen LTPO technology. It also features a 120Hz refresh rate, Gorilla Glass Victus protection, and a QHD resolution. This means the picture here is extra sharp and movement on screen is super smooth. The panel can display over 1 billion colors, and there's HDR10+ support too. Realme also says that this screen can achieve momentarily up to a 1000 Hz touch sampling rate for incredible responsiveness when gaming. Speaking of gaming, the Realme GT2 Pro has this year's top-of-the-line Android chipset, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. Performance should be excellent here, especially since Realme claims that its passive cooling system has a huge dissipation area on the back. The gaming and multimedia experience is rounded out by a pair of Dolby Atmos stereo speakers. There's no headphone jack here though. The interface of the GT2 Pro is Realme 3.0 based on Android 12. Compared to previous versions, this one has better privacy protection and redesigned icons. The phone also features 65-watt fast charging that Realme says can top up the big battery from 0 to 100% in around half an hour. And on the back you get a flagship-grade triple camera setup, which includes a 50-megapixel main cam with OIS, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide cam with a fisheye 150-degree field of view, and a 3-megapixel microscope cam with 40 times magnification. For an ultra-wide-angle cam, 150 degrees is especially wide, and it should allow for even more versatility when shooting. So there you have it guys, the Realme GT2 Pro looks like a solid and competitive flagship. You don't get a proper telephoto cam, but this ultra-wide cam looks quite interesting. Let us know what you guys think, and I'll see you soon with our full review.